In today's video, I want to show you guys so you can easily fix the problem that your Hytale is, not starting or won't open or something. Okay, for the first step, what we can do is go into your search bar, and here we look for Hytale, the game, or the launcher you have installed Hytale on. So this is really important. I do this now with this program here, for example, because I don't, installed Hytale on this PC. I have it on my other PC, so this is my recording PC here, but it is exactly the same. So right click on one of these processes here from Hytale or the launcher. So you can do this with both. And then go on open file location, right click on it again, and then go on show more options. Go on properties here. And for the first step, go on the left on security. And here make sure that you, select your, click on edit first, and then select your account you're logged in with. And here make sure that you have always allowed the full control for the game. So if not, click on it here, and then click on apply and then on OK. So and then for the next step, go on compatibility, and here you have to copy my settings. So run this program in compatibility mode, disable footstep optimization, and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply here and then OK. And after this tutorial, you have to restart your PC that the settings here are saved. Click on close this here after you clicked on apply and OK, and then go into the search bar and here look for the task manager. Click on the task manager and here we look for all processes from Hytale, because sometimes some processes from Hytale can run in the background, and these background processes can block the start of the game or the download of little new data packages which are required to start a game. So what we want to do is right click off one of these processes from Hytale if you find something here, and then enter task. This will fully close the program, and this is really important. And we look for all processes from the game, or like the anti-cheat or the launcher or something, to make sure that you close everything here. What we also can do is go here in the search bar, here we look for Hytale, and if we don't see anything here, this is a good sign, to make sure that you do this here. And after that, restart your PC, and then the problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.